Meet Ada, our AI digital associate. Ada was designed to fill a critical gap in the modern workplace: the need for accessible, reliable, and cost-effective support, especially for employees who could benefit from a personal assistant. But Ada is more than just a chatbot. It transforms office operations by automating routine tasks like scheduling, summarizing meetings, and retrieving important data so that users can stay focused on what really matters. With adaptive insights and real-time data, Ada enhances productivity, drives smarter decisions, and offers always-on support. No onboarding, no burnout, and no barriers. Welcome to the future of work, where productivity meets perfection for all. Modern workplaces generate more information than ever, but accessing and making sense of that information remains a major challenge. Employees often waste time switching between platforms, searching through emails or files, or trying to recall details from past meetings. Existing digital assistants only offer surface-level help, but few are capable of secure, real-time, and context-aware support, especially without sacrificing privacy, speed, or ease of use. Here's a quick look at how the HPASS architecture works behind the scenes. When a user asks Ada a question, the app client creates a thread ID to track the conversation. This, along with the user data, is stored in MongoDB. The request is then sent to the Ada server, hosted in the cloud, where our RAG pipeline and LangGraph logic retrieve relevant context from stored documents. Ada uses that context to generate a response, which is returned through the client and then forwarded to the app server to trigger voice, animation, and UI updates. This modular design is independent and scalable, allowing for secure and low latency interactions. At the core of HPASS is LangGraph. It's a graph-based engine that manages Ada's reasoning, so each node handles specific tasks like summarizing conversations, retrieving documents, or calling tools, so Ada can adapt based on context.
This allows us to see the run times and get feedback on our graph, which allows us to go and tweak it and make optimizations. This is a large majority of our project. So, as you can see, we've got all these tools that it can call. So the model we're using here is, again, 4.0 Mini. And 4.0 Mini excels at being cheap and at the same time getting good responses. Notice how this entire first request took 1/100th.
Our final solution, Ada, brings together several powerful features to support productivity. First, Ada uses a RAG pipeline with OpenAI embeddings in MongoDB to deliver personalized, context-aware responses. Second, our system is powered by LangGraph, which allows Ada to follow intelligent reasoning paths through modular nodes like summarization, memory recall, and tool execution. On the front end, Ada appears as a 3D assistant capable of responsive animations, realistic voice outputs using 11 labs, and voice or text-based interaction. Ada is a fully functional AI assistant that responds to voice or text, retrieves relevant information using RAG and OpenAI embeddings with MongoDB, remembers past interactions with thread IDs. It runs on a LangGraph backend, dynamically choosing tools like summarization or document lookup, and responds through a 3D avatar with real-time speech from 11 labs. Users log in with two-factor authentication, and the system works in both cloud and offline modes, making Ada secure, personalized, and always ready.
Hey Ada, what can you tell me about the University of Alabama in Huntsville?
The University of Alabama in Huntsville, UAH, is a reputable public research in Alabama. Established on January 6, 1950, it has grown to enroll approximately 10,000 students as of fall 2020.
With Ada, we've built a secure, intelligent, and scalable assistant that brings real productivity to the workplace. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to share the future of work with you.